Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another small Dollar General haul to share. First item up, this is all household items, some from the dollar deals, some wish list finds. First thing up is, I just took a big picture of it. It's 14 pounds of Alpo dog food. It was on sale for $11.50. So $11.50 is not bad for 14 pounds of name brand dog food. So picked up that. Picked up in the dollar deals aisle this Clorox gel air freshener in Island Orchid. This smells so good, and I always pick these up for the bathroom. That's what that looks like. It smells so good. And then I was needing some lens cleaner, so I decided that I would try this one that I found in that dollar aisle. You get 5 fluid ounces. The Lucky brand lens cleaner spray. It says it cleans and repairs dust, oil, smudge, and fingerprints, safe for anti-reflective coatings. So that's good enough. Good to know. So you can use this on glasses and cameras. Interesting. I don't know if I'd trust it so much on the camera right now, but I'm definitely going to test it on my glasses and Connors, so we're going to see. Hopefully this turns out to be a great product. For 5 ounces. In the dollar deal aisle, I also found these dollar clips. They say novelty clips. They're so cute. They're little tulips. And you get a red, green, and blue clip. And I found that I could always use a clip. And these are just too cute. I do have 2 other dollar deal aisle things, but I'm saving them for last because they were wish list items, and I know that some of you probably are hoping you're going to find that item too. I needed some dish soap, and y'all know this is my ride or die dish soap. I love this one. Usually buy it in the huge container. This day at Dollar General, they did have that Palmolive. But I've been dying to try this particular dish soap ever since I saw it in my store. So I decided to pick it up. And then they also had this scent as a bonus. This was $1. The Gain Ultra Clean. And this is in Honeyberry Hula scent. And let's see. 8 fluid ounces for $1. I believe I've used Gain in the past. And I think I liked it. So I'm hoping this is the case now. But $1 is not bad, and this scent smells so good. It smells so good. So I had to pick this one up for $1, and then this is the one that I've been eyeing and really wanted to try from Gain, and it's in the Easy Squeeze. I have not tried any dish soaps with this kind of spout squeeze nozzle thing on it. And you get 24.3 ounces. This was $3 at my Dollar General. The Gain Ultra Clean Summer Watermelon Scent. I'm so excited for this. So excited for the watermelon scents. I cannot, I love watermelon scents. So I grabbed that dish soap. Now I'm stocked up on that. And even more so, the wish list item I found in the Dollar Deals aisle is the Home Bright Ultra Foaming Dish Spray in the watermelon scent. Yes! 12 ounces. These are their 20% more bottles. These come in 10-ounce sizes, unless you find them in the 20% more size, and then you get the 12 ounces. But I was hoping I'd find this one. I've only seen one other person haul this, and I found it at my store. And typically this store doesn't even carry this. I literally can only find this at one store in my location. I frequent 3 different Dollar Generals. This spray stuff from Home Bright, not this scent, has only ever been in one store. And I stock up every time I see it. This time I found the watermelon, so I had to do the same. Cannot wait to try that out. So of course I picked up 2 of those. So now my house supplies, dish soap, all that stuff is overly stocked right now. I have 4 of these in my cabinet now. That will be including these two. And then 2 dish soaps plus the rest of my Palmolive. I am good on dish soap for a long while. If you have not tried this Home Bright spray, this stuff's amazing. It works absolutely amazing. So that is everything for my Dollar General haul. Hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully you can find some of these items out and try them out for yourselves. Stay tuned for more videos like these, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the card for additional links. Thank you so much for watching.